Now it's simple to see that you came to get down. You got the creative step and the lyrical sound. We got our friends coming on in with the beat. Got the people jumping in and up and off of the street. And they be stepping right into the subconscious stream. I leave your ego at the door, think astrally. We're about to embark on a science project, and I hope you all had enough time to reflect on the light right here, right now. We're living in the light right here, right now. Now for those of you who don't know how to light journey, well, there's an easy way to go. Take a couple of these. You'll be climbing up the psilocybin tree, but get ready, you're about to meet divinity. You can look them in the face and be surprised it looks like you. Life is comprised of things you already knew. Now the door's about to be open wide. What you're seeing is the beauty you contain inside. Don't trap it up no more egotistically. You got molded by senses, third eye can see the light right here, right now. Oh, we living in the light right here, right now. Oh, we're dwelling in the light right here, right now. Yeah, we living in the light right here, right now. One fine morning when this life is over, I'll fly away. You know, one fine morning when this life is over, I'll fly away. Well, I'll fly away, little darling. You know, I'll fly away. With open mind and open eye, well, I can analyze my place and my purpose like it was written in the skies. That we are all part of one whole, and each and every one of us is playing a role in God's movie. Oh, in God's movie. Step off the screen and you can see there's no such thing as suffering. It's just a separation from yourself from within. Now my thoughts are moving down the transcendental line. Be picking up the clues people left for me to find. Shoot, shoot goes the train. The trick runs to